In this video, we are going to see how we can bring the off-screen window back to the screen in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you have noticed that any application or any browser or window is running in the background, but you can't see it on the main screen, or it looks quite hidden and you cannot pull it back, here's how you can do this. So first of all, we need to identify which thumbnail it is for the browser or the window. In this case, it's this. So we hold down the shift key on the keyboard, right click, and then we will get the move option. I'll show you again. Hold the shift key on the keyboard and keep it holding. Right click on this little icon and click on move. And then your keyboard should start working. Where you have the arrow keys on the keyboard, just use that to move them back in. Just keep pressing the cursor. Keep pressing the arrows to whatever location you want to move it in. And once you have this completely moved, you can hold it, you can expand it, and then it should be shown properly. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.